One of the motivating factors in implementing EQ was the industry. A lot of the suppliers had just come out with price increases, and we knew our current system of quoting and doing the paperwork and processing was somewhat archaic. When the market started to turn a little bit, we knew we needed to, that was the time to move, that was the time to improve our system and to make this change.
The implementation process is difficult. It takes fortitude, and you've got to keep your eye on the end result, and ultimately it's worth the cultural change that's going to happen.
We committed to it, and we were very confident with EQ, with Brent Jackson, with Chris, and we made that jump, and it was great.
Most business managers always know where their strengths are, but EQ allows us to really see those weaknesses better and be able to address them.
Instead of looking back and seeing where we've been, we're able to look forward and see where we're headed.
It centralized the workflow process and all the information that was needed. Everything from our shop drawings to directions, the jobs, special items that we needed or special instructions could be included with that job, where before there was really nowhere to put that.
Originally we had what we called our quick cell, and our quick cell was an Excel file that had basically just had all our different multipliers. But if you were selling from a supplier that we didn't have in our quick cell, then you would have to kind of either go to management, you would kind of have to figure out how to put that into the quick cell. So being able to go to EQ, where all of your products are in one place, all of your costs are in one place. Even if you want to sell a product off the internet, you can do that within EQ. We're now making sure that our suppliers are billing us correctly, and that there's not this shadow effect between what the salespeople are doing and what the accounting departments are doing. Currently, I'm about to bring on another salesperson. I look forward to it because I think he's going to be very excited about it. Coming in and seeing the organization of it, having all your pricing, all your suppliers on hand, being able to put that all into a job, and you're not running this quote versus this quote, and you've got 4 different pieces of papers trying to put together a full packet for the customer, but you see exactly where you need to be. It's all organized within EQ, and you're able to send them a really nice quote, reporting quote, and or a contract or proposal.
I explained the implementation of EQ to our sales force as being very similar to whenever 2020 first came out, and we would design on graph paper, and how there was a lot of resistance to go to 2020. But today, if I came in to Brock Cabinets and told all the salespeople, I'm going to take 2020 away and I'm going to give you graph paper, they would be lost. And EQ is the same way. You've got to give it a chance for people in your company to learn it. And as they go through that learning curve, the efficiencies will really start to appear.
Everyone at EQ, I can't say enough good things about. I was able to contact EQ. I would have response within minutes.
What was most beneficial to me about EQ, which I loved, is the fact that they partnered with us and was able to modify EQ to be able to fit our specific business needs. Having said that, we deal with retail, we will deal with large builders, we'll deal with small builders, we'll deal with remodelers. So we have a very large segment of the business model that flows within our company. So the EQ was very helpful there.
In retrospect, we would do it 100 times over.
I do think it has definitely been worth the investment that we've put into it.